So today we have a question: if n is a natural number, then this equation always ends with we have four options here: one, four, three, or two. Let's find out how to solve this. So let us take first n equals to one. So put n equals to one in equation. Now we have 5 plus 6, that's 11, and 2 into 11 equals to 22. Now let's put n equals to 2, that is 2 bracket 5 power 2 plus 6 power 2 equals to, that is 5 25 plus 6 into 6, that is 36. And if we add this, we got 2 into 61, that is 122. If you look here at the end, we both have 2. So our answer is D part 2.